So, what is it that you look out for when it comes to recruitment? When it comes to recruiting someone, what is the key fundamentals that you look out for?
So the two kind of things that I'm looking for at the various stages in the application process. So if we look initially with a CV, the key things I'm probably looking for is experience with a technology stack. And that's probably comes more from the types of businesses people have been working in and the types of projects they've done, not just this list of skills you've got at the very beginning, but also the kind of the times they've worked with companies and the sort of areas they've worked with as well. So right. Maybe the industries, education to some extent if it's quite a junior role, but as you progress, you've done a few jobs or you've done a few years on the job, I think education kind of becomes a bit more secondary and it's more about the types of work you've been doing. Right. So that's probably the initial bit from the CV and the introduction level. When you start to go through the process more, I'd say it's probably more about personality, attitude, and things like that. Because some of the technical stuff, we'll come on to this a bit when we go through more of the later process. But some of the technical skills, they're obviously important, particularly in when I'm recruiting for something like a developer role or something like that. However, there could be differences between the way people do certain things in certain frameworks, or they may have knowledge of one framework and not another. So those skills can either be transferred or upskilled. So that at that point it becomes less important, I should say.
So I guess from your perspective, then, from sitting on your side of the table, it's a job of investigating and discovery to discover what candidate best suits your requirements.
Yes.
And you're looking upon it from both a technical perspective. So are they technically competent to a level that you're after, but also, as you said, that they have a personality that matches your needs of the team.